This is Yakutsk, Russia, the coldest city in the world. How cold is it? Let me put it this way. If you go to the bathroom outdoors, make sure to bring a stick with you, because if you take too long, what you leave behind will turn into an ice popsicle. The lowest recorded temperature here is -71 degrees. Freshly washed clothes become as rigid as steel plates in no time, but there are advantages too. Just like this young man here, using frozen stiff clothes as a skateboard. Not only that, you can take fruits outside, and use them as hammers when you go back inside. Of course, selling refrigerators here probably isn't a profitable business. They hang food that needs freezing outside the windows. It's worth mentioning that their houses have hollow spaces underneath, due to different structural considerations. Some houses are built on the ice, and the ice's expansion and contraction can cause significant tilting or collapse of the buildings. Cars cannot be turned off, as you can see in this car with no one inside, yet the engine is still running. Once it's turned off for 20 minutes, if you want to start it again, you have to wait until April of the following year, or even